Today I'm going to share another immune boosting recipe. My name is Tanzila. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will make a golden milk, and first we will need to make a milk, plant-based milk. You can use any plant-based milk that you have. I will make an almond milk. So for this recipe I already soaked and peeled some almonds, so I will need a handful of almonds. Next I will add a herbal tea. And we will blend it together. Now let's put it through the nut milk bag. Okay, let's pour it back to the blender. And now we will add the remaining ingredients. A tablespoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, a teaspoon of maca, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and a teaspoon of coconut oil, and a tablespoon of honey. So let's blend it together. Okay, our golden milk is ready. Let's try it. This is awesome. I hope you like it. If you like it, please let me know in the comments below. And for more recipes, please subscribe for my 5 beauty recipes on my website, Beauty Conversion. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.